I just received 2 nightstands. They're in this little tiny box. Let's put them together. Alright, so here's the finished product. These 2 nightstands or end tables or really any kind of place you have in your home, you could use these. These are made by Vrisa, and in full disclosure, they were sent to me at no charge. But I will say that they are very sturdy. The tops are waterproof, so you can put a glass of water right on it and it's not going to damage it. You can see that there's 2 outlets and 2 USB ports in the front and plenty of space to plug in 4 devices. The cord is 6.5 feet long, which gives you plenty of length to find an outlet against your wall. They're modern, they're compact, they have 4 adjustable feet, and they were actually super easy to assemble. I had all the parts, everything was labeled, and that is my honest review. Thanks.